back-to-back wickets for fheem, Ashraf. Once again, the change of pace, well-directed short delivery to start up. And George Linder hits it straight down the throat of Hassan Nawaz. He's got 6 in 2 games, fheem, Ashraf. 2 for 3 tonight so far. And a Salman Ali Agha. Donovan Ferreira was going some guns, but his innings will draw to a close.
And it's that man again, fheem Ashraf for Pakistan. Donovan Ferreira, he's made his intentions clear, but it's pace off again. Hitting it right at the bottom of the bat, but this is an excellent catch at mid-off. And it's the captain who completes the dismissal. The South African captain, he goes for a brief 29. South African are 76 for 5.